Good morning, all of you. This is Rachna Saxena from Faculty of Education, Tirthankar Mahavir University, Muradabad. I'm here to summing up my things into a one conclusion. I have discussed so many things related to teacher education in my last lectures. Now this is the concluding part of it. Teacher education is a vital component of our educational system, designed to equip prospective teachers with the necessary knowledge, skills, and attitudes to effectively educate and nurture them. The meaning of teacher education encompasses the entire process of training and preparing individuals to become professional educators. The process includes formal coursework, practical experiences, and continuous professional development. Definition of teacher education often emphasize the systematic, rigorous training aimed at developing competencies essential for effective teaching and learning. The features of teacher education are multifaceted and reflect the diverse need of the educational landscape according to the situation. Firstly, teacher education programs are comprehensive, covering a broad spectrum of subjects, pedagogical strategies, classroom management techniques, and assessment methods. This ensures that teachers are well-rounded and capable of addressing the varied learning needs of students. Secondly, these programs are often categorized by a strong emphasis on practical experiences in the real-time situation. Students teaching training programs, internship programs, and the field work are the most important part and the most integral components that allow prospective teachers to apply theoretical knowledge in the real classroom setting. When we talk about teacher education at different levels, so here are three levels: elementary level, secondary level, and the higher education level. At the elementary level, teacher education focuses on the foundational skills required to teach young children. This includes child development, early literacy, and numeracy, and creating a supportive and engaging classroom environment. At the secondary level, the focus shifts to subject specific knowledge and advanced pedagogical techniques and suited for the adolescents. This time is very crucial for all. Teachers hold a significant responsibility in the lives of adolescents. At this development stage is marked by profound physical, emotional, and cognitive changes. They are navigating the transition period from childhood to adulthood, and the role of the teachers extends beyond merely delivering academic content. Teachers are tasked with fostering a supportive and nurturing environment that addresses the holistic need of their students. One of the primarily responsibility of teacher is to provide a safe and inclusive classroom environment where they can feel safe and sound. Adolescents are highly sensitive to social dynamics and are in the process of forming their identities. A teacher must create an atmosphere where all feel respected, valued, and free from discrimination or bullying. This involves setting clear expectations for behavior, promoting kindness and empathy. They promptly do all the things and effectively solve the issues which come in classroom learning. Teachers are also responsible for recognizing and supporting the diverse learning needs of them. This includes differentiated instruction to cater to various learning styles and abilities. They face a range of academic challenges, and it is crucial for them to provide appropriate recommendations and support to help each student succeed. This might involve using varied teaching strategies, incorporating technology, and offering additional help or resources In addition to academic support, teachers play a vital role in the emotional and social development of them. This can be achieved through fostering a growth mindset, encouraging self reflection, and helping them to develop resilience and coping strategies. Teachers should be attentive to signs of emotional distress or mental health issues and provide guidance or refer them to appropriate supportive services when necessary. Building strong, trust, trusting relationship with them can help them feel more comfortable seeking help and discussing their concern and issues at that time. They are changing not only from the physical way but also from the mindset. Adolescents are also in the critical phase of developing their critical thinking and decision making skills. Teachers have a responsibility to encourage independent thought, problem solving, and ethical reasoning. This can be accomplished by designing lessons that challenge students to think critical, engage in debates, and consider multiple perspectives. Teachers should aim to inspire curiosity and a love for learning, helping them to become lifelong learners. I have already told you teachers are the learner too. Furthermore, teachers must prepare adolescents to their future role in society. This involves not only imparting academic knowledge but also teaching essential life skills. These skills include time management, effective communication, teamwork, and digital literacy. Teachers can integrate these skills into their curriculum and provide practical opportunities for them to apply, such as group projects, presentations, and the use of technology in learning. Another crucial role of responsibility of teacher in this period and that this is as a role model. They often look up to their teachers and can be significantly influenced by their behavior and attitude. Not only in direct way, otherwise in indirect way. Teachers should demonstrate positive values such as integrity, respect, and perseverance. By modeling these qualities, teachers can help them to develop similar attributes in their own life. Collaboration with parents and guardians is also a key responsibility for teachers at this time period. Open and effective communication between teachers and families can support the academic and personal growth of students. Teachers should keep parents information about their child's progress, share the concern, and work together to address any issue related to the child. This partnership can create a supportive network that benefits the teacher both at a school as well as at home. Finally, teachers need to stay informed and continue their professional development. Adolescence is a dynamic period, and educational practices and theories are continually evolving. Teachers should seek out opportunities for professional growth, such as attending workshops, participating in professional learning communities, and staying updated, at least research in them. This commitment to ongoing learning ensures that teachers can provide the best possible support for them. If I say what क्या हो रहा है? When we talk about teacher education at higher level, here are so many things I'm discussing with you. Teacher education in higher education bear a significant responsibility in shaping the academics, professional, and personal developments of their students. These responsibilities extend beyond the dissemination of knowledge to encompasses mentorship, guidance, and the cultivation of critical thinking and ethical behavior. Here is an exploration of the multifaceted responsibilities that higher education teachers hold. So, the very first is delivering quality education. At a core, higher education teachers are responsible for providing high quality education. This is both rigorous and relevant. This involves staying updated with the latest development in their field, employing effective teaching methodologies and creating a curriculum that challenges students to think critically and engage deeply with the subject matter. Teachers should strive to present content that is accurate, comprehensive, and accessible, ensuring that students gain a thorough understanding of the material. Fostering critical thinking and independence. Higher education is a time when students develop their ability to think critically and independently. Teachers are responsible for encouraging them to question assumptions, analyze arguments, and synthesize information from various sources. This can be achieved through discussions, debates, research projects, and assignments that require students to apply their knowledge in novel ways. Teachers should aim to inspire curiosity and a love for learning that extends beyond the classroom. Next is supporting research and scholarly activities. In higher education, teachers often serve as mentors and advisors for students' research. This responsibility includes guiding them through the research process, from formulating research questions to conducting experiments or studies, analyzing data, and presenting findings. Teachers should provide constructive feedback, help them navigate challenges, and encourage them to pursue original and innovative research. The support is crucial for them who are preparing for careers in academia or the research incentive fields. Tutors or advisors. Beyond academic instruction, teachers in higher education often play a crucial role as mentors and advisors. They provide guidance on career paths, graduate school opportunities, and professional development. Teachers should be approachable and willing to share their experiences and insights. to help them make informed decisions about their future. This mentorship can have a lasting impact on teachers' professional things and personal growth. Now I'm coming to fear and integrity, and this is the most integral part of it. Higher education teachers have a responsibility to install a sense of ethical behavior and academic integrity in their students. This includes educating students about the importance of honesty in their work, the proper citation of sources, and the consequences of plagiarism and other forms of academic dishonesty. By modeling ethical behavior themselves and fostering a culture of integrity, teachers help to develop a strong moral foundation that guide them in their academic and professional lives. Now I'm coming on the next stage, and this is providing a supportive and inclusive environment. Teachers must create a classroom environment that is supportive, inclusive, and respectful for diversity. This involves being mindful of the different backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives that students bring to the classroom. Teachers should strive to create an atmosphere where all the students feel valued and heard, where diverse viewpoints are encouraged and respected. This can enhance the learning experience and prepare students to thrive in a diverse and interconnected world. Now, the next is encouraging lifelong learning. I told you so many times that we are the learners. Higher about to prepare them for the job. It is about installing a passion for lifelong learning. Teachers should encourage them to view education as an ongoing journey and to continually seek out new knowledge, challenges, things, and skills throughout their life. This can be done by highlighting the importance of adaptability, curiosity, and the pursuit of excellence in their personal and professional endeavor. Now, the next is collaboration with colleagues and engaging with the community. Teachers in higher education should actively collaborate with their colleagues, sharing insights and strategies to enhance the educational experience. They should also engage with the broad academic, professional communities, contributing to conferences, workshops, and publication. This engagement helps to advance the field, enrich the academic environment, and provide them with a broader perspectives on their studies. Now, my next point is providing constructive feedback and evaluation. Effective assessment and feedback are crucial components of higher education. Teachers have a responsibility to provide timely, constructive, and actionable feedback that helps them to understand their strengths and the areas for improvement. This feedback should be clear and specific, guiding them on how to enhance their performance and deepen their understanding for the subject matter. Now, the next is staying updated with educational technology and innovations. The landscape of education is constantly evolving, particularly with advancement in technology. Teachers must stay informed about the latest educational technology and pedagogical innovations. By integrating new tools and methods into their teaching, they can enhance the learning experiences and better prepare students for the modern workplace. So, I can say teachers in higher education play a pivotal role in shaping the future of their students. Their responsibilities extend beyond traditional teaching to mentorship, further research, promotion of ethical behavior, and the creation of inclusive and engaging learning environment. By fulfilling these responsibilities, higher education teachers can signify influence their students' academic success, personal growth, and professional readiness. The value of studying teacher education in the post-independence era cannot be overstated. Post-independence, many nations priorities education as a key driver of national development and progress. Teacher education therefore became crucial in ensuring that the educational workforce was capable of delivering high quality education to all the citizens. It played a significant role in nation building by promoting literacy, critical thinking, and a sense of civic responsibility. Furthermore, it helped in addressing issues of equity and inclusion in education by preparing them to work in diverse and often challenges environment. In terms of its aims and scope, teacher education seeks to produce competent and committed teachers who are well prepared to meet the demands of modern classroom. This is the time of changes. So the traditional classroom situation is not here. Modern classroom have so many effective things. The primary aim is to develop educators who can foster a positive learning environment, employ effective teaching strategies, and engage them in a meaningful learning experiences. The scope of teacher education extends beyond initially training to include ongoing professional development, ensuring that teachers remain current with educational research, technology, and pedagogical advancement. The silent features of teacher education includes its dynamic and evolving nature. As educational theories and technologies advancement, teacher education programs continuously adapt to incorporate new insights and methods. This adaptability ensures that teachers are not only knowledgeable but also innovative and capable of integrating new tools and approaches into their teaching practices. Additionally, teacher education reflective practices, encouraging teachers to continuously evaluate and improving their teaching strategies based on feedback and self-assessment. They are the most important part of it. If you are getting feedback, you are enabled to understand what are the things on which you should work and what are the things you are good. The need and importance of teacher education are evident in its impact on educational quality and students' outcome. Well-trained teachers are better equipped to create engaging and effective learning environment, which can lead to improved students' achievement as well as their progress. Moreover, teacher education promotes the professionalism of teaching, recognizing it as a skilled and valued profession essential for social development. It also addresses the diverse need of learners by preparing them to differentiate instruction and provide support for the students with varying abilities and backgrounds. At the different level, it is different. The aim and the objectives of teacher education vary, but are aligned with the overarching goal of fostering effective teaching and learning. At the elementary level, the focus is on building a strong foundation in basic skills and nurturing a love for learning. Secondary level teacher education aims to develop subject matter expertise and the ability to engage adolescents in deeper learning. Higher education teacher preparation emphasizes for the advancement in knowledge, research skills, and the capacity to contribute to academic and professional communities. Now, it is the conclusion of it. Teacher education is a cornerstone of a reversed education system, ensuring that teachers are well prepared to meet the diverse and evolving needs of their students. It is comprehensive in nature, emphasis on on practical experiences and continuous adoption of new developments make it important, make it for the advancement of education and society as a whole. The value of teacher education, popularly and particularly in the post-independence context, highlights its role in promoting national development, equity, and educational excellence. Thank you. This is all about of the first block. Thank you. Thank you so much.